If you happen to come home after a long day at work and go to the kitchen and grab a handful of Oreo cookies, pour a cold glass of milk, sit down on the couch, prop your feet and begin to relax and watch TV, and then go to dip your Oreo cookie in the milk and realize there is no white filling, not only in the cookie can, but in the entire package. It was just Marina. If you happen to be driving home on a dark, rainy night, and traffic suddenly comes to a stop, and it's backed up for a mile, so you get out of your car and walk up ahead to see what the problem is, and notice that someone has stopped traffic and randomly asked a stranger to assist her in removing the roadkill from the street to a comfy area under a tree and covered it up with a tarp or a plastic bag so it doesn't get rained on. It was just Marina. And you sure did do that. I am. I really did. If you happen to be eating at a nice restaurant, or just in the comfort of your home, and then suddenly hear the most earth-shaking, ear-ringing belch that you have ever heard, and look around to see where that truck driver is, whose mother never taught him any manners. It was just Marina.
Michelle had to go off the wow.
If you happen to be walking down the street and decide to throw your empty pack of cigarettes on the ground, either because you don't care or hoping no one sees, and then suddenly someone that's like an off-duty litter patrol officer rolls down her window and asks you to kindly go back and pick up your garbage, it was just Marina. If you happen to get the cutest kitten that you ever dreamed of having, and then one day it suddenly goes missing and never returns, it was just Marina. Cat?
Oh, yeah. I did get one like that.
Oh, gross.
She attempted to return it.
Around the corner from me.
If you happen to work at a nail salon, and a customer returns for the third time that week because now she's noticed that the nail on her left ring finger is 1/10 of a millimeter shorter than the nail on her right ring finger, it was just Marina. She sits there and she measures them forever.
What's that one's longer?
And, hold on, okay. And last of all, if you happen to meet the most beautiful, smart, funny, caring girl with a heart as big as her love for algebraic equations and Chris Brown, it was just great.